Alafia, this is Ia or y'all want me. I am coming today to give basic information on throwing OB divination or calling it divination. And we're going to get into it real quick. It's real simple, nothing difficult. Now, this is basic. I am not giving verses. Any type of Ifa will do verses with this. This is just basic information. All right, let's get into it. All right. So these are the different color nuts that we have here. This is Obi Abata. How do we know? Because it's 4 splits. 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. This is 5 pieces right here. 5 split. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See that? This is 2 split. This is Banja. 1, 2. So this one is popular for people to eat. A lot of people, this is like last resort for divination. You cannot find any other ones. This is last resort. And this is Obi Meta. 1, 2, and 3 pieces. A lot of people tend to throw away their 3 pieces. When you purchase Obi Abata or Obi, in a sense, when you purchase, it comes mixed. It comes with 3s, 5s, sometimes 2 splits. So a lot of people tend to throw this away, so they don't have as many. So they're wasting money. This is gold. You understand? This is gold for us. This is what we give our shrines and the Nigerian lineages. So I'm going to teach basic OB divination and understanding of it real quick. Let's get into it. All right, this is Banja. We're going to open up the Banja like so. All right, so we got 2 facing up. 2 facing up is Alafia. That means good health, right? 2 down is Ishegun, victory. 1 up would be Obiyan. So it's only 3 orientations with this. So that means it's not speaking fully. So it's missing Okan and Iwa, and we'll get off into that in a few minutes. We have Obi Meta. So that's 3 pieces. We have 3 up. That's Alafia. We have 3 down. That's Ishegun. We have 2 up. That's Iwa. 1 up is Okan. So it's only 4 orientations. The one that's missing is Obiyan, which will be 2 up, 2 down. And we'll get off into that in a minute. All right, this is Obi Abata, 4 pieces. So this is 4 pieces up. That's Alafia. 4 pieces down is Ishegun, victory. 2 up, 2 down is Obiyan. I mean, it's accepted. Accepted right away. 3 down, 1 up is Okan. That is to allow things that's heavy. Okan is heart. So anything that's heavy on the heart, that Orisa is telling you things are going to be okay. 3 up, 1 down is Iwa, which is watch your character. Iwa is character. So there are no orientations missing on this one. All right, we have the 5 split. So with the 5 split, there's 1 piece that we identify that we give to Eshu, or we eat, or give to that Orisha. And if you can see, 1, 2, 3. It has 3 legs. 3 lines. This is the one that you identify and get rid of. We don't use that, so then we're left with 4 pieces. The other pieces, 2 of them would be 2 lines. The other 2 will have single lines as such. 1 male, 1 female. The straight lines are male, the split lines are female. All right, so that's how we identify. And this extra piece is called Ofua. right here. All right. So we're going to do some mock throwing, right? Right there. That is Okan. And we touch the ground and then touch our heart. Touch the ground and touch our heart 3 times when we get that. Right? You see that? 2 up, 2 down. That's Obiyan. That's accepted. Sometimes people don't understand. Oh man, is that up? If you're able, sometimes you gotta fool around with it. If it's able to go on its back like that, that means it's down. This is literally, this would be considered facing down. If it was up on its back, it would be considered facing up. Even this, if you see the pink part and it has a flat back and it's able to do that, then this is considered facing down. So we're going to put that back. So that would be Obiyan, okay? So with hand gestures, we're throwing OB. With EY, when you get EY, it's snap the fingers. We snap the fingers. Some people do once, some people do twice, some people do 3 times with snapping the fingers. I don't know what the snapping of the fingers mean. Maybe the elders know, but you snap the fingers when you get EY. Okan, you touch the ground and touch your heart 3 times. With Obiyan, you touch your head to the ground in front of the shrine. When you get Ishegun, victory, you can you punch the ground kind of like this softly. Punch the ground, Ishegun, so it represent victory, the stone, like the stone crushing your enemies. So that's what that representation is. And Alafia is, let me show you. Alafia is Alafia, and that is healthy body. A lot of people say Alafia, Alafia, like it's green light. Hello, no, it means like healthy body, health, good health.